In this video, we will show you how to upload long video on WhatsApp status. As we know, the ability on WhatsApp status has maximum 30 seconds video. In here, for example, we want to send this video as status. You can see this video is more than 3 minutes. Okay, you can see there, this is about Tom and Jerry cartoon. You can see it's fairly long video. Okay, and to upload this video, because WhatsApp has maximum 30 seconds, if we do edit the video manually, it wasting time. So we can automatically add this video without too much works. With just 2 until 3 clicks, we done to send this video without need one by one to editing and split them. For example, in here, in my WhatsApp status, you can see this is no status now. And now you need to open the Google Play Store. Okay, and you need to install this application, Video Status Scatter and Story by Pixellab. After that, you can open this application. Because this application is very easy to use, you can update the long video without to do much work with the video. You can just select Dream Video here. Now select the video, for example the download video, and we need to using this video. Okay, as you can see, this is more than 3 minutes video. Let's use this, and you can see there, video will split into 30-second slice automatically. So this will make the video approximately have 8 video, because 1 minute will have 2 videos. You can see, select WhatsApp split. After you select WhatsApp split, just select this, and please select slow for the more accurate in here, and click slow. And this is the process of our video. As I say, it become 8 video and it will automatically update on your status. And this is very easy. If you want to share the long video into your WhatsApp status, you don't need to edit manually one by one for each video. Okay, because this application is free. After we work with this, sometimes it appear the ads. It's okay, just you can click this. After that, you can click close button here. Then you can select the all video by clicking this, and click this checkbox. After you select all the video, just click share. As you can see, it can share not only into WhatsApp, it can also send to another social media like Telegram, YouTube, or etc. YouTube, of course, become YouTube Short, and we need to click on WhatsApp. I'm using WhatsApp Business here, and select my status, and the last, select this to send. Okay, then you can add the caption and send the video. Just send the video, for example, and it's appear the ads again, but in here we have done to create the status. You can check on your WhatsApp. You can see on the WhatsApp is sending 7 video, 6 video, and until the all 8 video is done to upload in our status. After it done, we will see. Okay, you can see here This icon means the video is being uploaded by WhatsApp. Let's wait. Sending to, and left once. Okay, now as you can see, the all clip has been uploaded successfully, and it's clean also and accurate for timing. Okay, let's say 3 video for example, to confirm, and this video is uh, well edited by that application. Okay, let's next the skin. Okay, you can see the timing is also accurate, so don't be worried, and it's very easy. Rather than you are using video editor like CapCut or like Filmora or like another video editor that you need to split per 30 seconds. And that's all tutorial how to upload long video on WhatsApp status, and hope this video helpful for you.